looking tired already because
vlog from the road.
Yes, vlog from the road. So basically we are doing our 28-day what challenge?
Full body shred challenge.
Full body shred challenge. And today is like the active rest day, so that's why we are being active and we are going out for a long walk. And we also have a $2 off.
Yeah.
We also have $2 off from Dunkin' Donuts. So we also have $2 off from Dunkin' Donuts. So we are walking there, being active, and we're gonna go get coffee and we're gonna walk and come back home. So that is the plan, that is what we're doing. And water over here also.
Let us show them how to cross road here.
Yeah, let's show you how we cross the road here.
So basically you press the button for the signal that you want to cross, and then you wait for that red hand to actually turn green. That's it.
It's that simple.
Yeah. So you can't just be in India and be like and show your hand and just walk through. So you gotta press the button, you gotta wait till the hand turns green, and then you walk. And our coffee is in the plaza right over there, so we are gonna walk there. It's not gonna be the entire walk. We are gonna take the coffee and we are gonna take a long route back home, so we at least finish our 2 miles. She wants to go even more than 2 miles, so
5 miles. I know, I mean that's too much.
5 miles we are not gonna make it. But yes, we may do 3.5 maybe.
Yeah, it's anyways very humid outside, so
yeah. So
but being active.
So today is an active rest day, like she said, and we are doing this program from Chloe Ting. So if you want, I'll put the link in the description box. What program are we following? We have been doing really good, and I have lost 3 pounds in last few weeks, and now we are rocking. So I was saying that we are going to put the link in the description box about the program we are doing. I've lost roughly 3 pounds, and it's been...
I haven't checked how much I have lost.
She doesn't need to lose actually. She's just trying to tone up her tummy area, like making it firm and tight. So
I'm going to check out for 28 days basically.
Yeah, and I have my before, and I will do a vlog, full blown vlog about what we did, what I ate, what kind of food we ate, and the whole journey vlog when we finish this program, so we can actually show you how it looked before and after and everything. So no point in talking about it right now. Here's the plaza. Let's go. There's this turtle over here. There's this kid. Oh, it's a tortoise.
The turtle, I guess.
Yeah, tortoise. Alright. Oh, we came from the side. We gotta go in the front. So Tanya hates these lizards. Where did it go?
So basically, I hate the lizards in Florida. The one thing that I hate
any reptiles.
Yeah, I hate all kind of reptiles, but here lizards, they are literally walking on the foot, like this one just crossed. And
it's on the sidewalks everywhere.
And oh my god, it freaked when I came like when I saw it for the first time, it freaked me out, but now I'm a little habitual, but still I don't want to.
She didn't even touch the alligator when we went to alligator park.
Nope.
I was holding it and she didn't even touch it. She doesn't like reptiles at all.
Nope.
Comment and let me know if you would touch an alligator baby, and it, assuming the mouth is closed.
Just the skin or something like that. Or or even if you can touch lizards. I can't.
कॉफी लेंगे तो कॉफी लेंगे कोल्ड लूँगा बट शुगर नहीं डलवाऊँगा उसमें ज़्यादा ना मे बी वनीला का एक पंप या कुछ.
So there's a very good Italian restaurant in this complex.
And they have like a $10 buffet, but we gotta wait 28 days.
For the $10 buffet.
We keep forgetting about it.
Yeah.
And there's this new Indian restaurant that just opened, and we want to go there as well.
called Tiffin
Is that
Box.
oh, raccoon?
Where?
That just crossed behind the car. It's really hard to even hold your phone while walking, especially when you just did your arms yesterday.
Oh yeah,
So-
yesterday was, my god,
Yeah.
very harsh on us.
So let's cross. Okay, guys. So we are gonna go get our coffee, and then we'll talk to you later.
Yeah, well, hey girl, what do you say we just get crazy?
What do you get?
Ice macchiato,
Haha.
same as he got. I wanted to try what you always get.
So basically, the reason I got ice macchiato, it only has 80 calories and it doesn't have too much added sugar in it.
Oh,
So
really?
it's a win-win. Okay, here's our coffee, and this is small, by the way, for anybody who's wondering what size this is. It has 80 calories. She actually tempted me in getting a pump of sugar in this. Initially, I took none, but do
Just
you
one
like
pump
it?
is good,
Do
yeah.
you like it? She liked it.
So good with one pump.
It's good. So anyways, guys, that's what's going on today. A different kind of a weekday, but we are having fun, and we are gonna walk our way back and see you guys at home now. All right, guys, we are back home. We just came home, and it was roughly 2.7 miles. That is roughly, I don't know, 3.5 kilometers, 4 kilometers maybe. Oh no, actually, yeah, 4 point few kilometers, something like that. So we had a good walk, and now we are gonna give a walk to Marvel. Gonna feed him, take him for a walk, and then we are gonna come back. And I don't know about dinner because I don't feel like eating anything. I have had so much liquid in here. Not sure about Tanya, what she wants to have for dinner, but otherwise I'm just gonna have my chamomile tea. Are you having anything for dinner?
I don't know, still deciding.
Okay. Well, we are gonna give walk to Marvel, feed him, give him a walk, and then we'll see you guys.
Alright. So for dinner, I'm a little hungry. Mike is not hungry because after the coffee. So I'm making a small salad for myself. Over here I have romaine, onion, tomato, olives. If you like olives, let me know. And I'm gonna be using the Greek dressing. I have some boiled egg over here, sliced.
Oh, tell them that this is the Greek dressing without the feta cheese, because you like.
Yeah, so this is the Greek dressing without the feta cheese, because sometimes I don't want to add feta cheese, and if I want to have, I always have feta cheese in my fridge, so I can just add that. And also, if you buy the dressing with feta cheese, that goes bad fast. So make sure if you want your dressing to last longer, you want to buy it without the feta cheese. And for tomorrow's lunch, because I'm gonna get off work by 2:30, and he's gonna be on meeting, so I already made our lunch, so he can eat whenever he get time, and I'm gonna come back and eat. What I made is, okay, let me show it to you. Actually, it's done. So what I made is couscous with all the veggies in my instant pot, and oh my god, it looks so good. Let's see. It smells good. हाँ, उसका spoon ये वाला इसका spoon. Right. Look at that. Ooh. It looks good, right? Is it cooked?
Yeah, it's cooked.
Yeah.
Maybe you can use a little bit less water next time.
Alright. I can switch it on and saute and dry
you don't
it.
have to. Maybe it will dry out itself.
So this is the first time I'm making couscous in instant pot, and look how perfect it's like come out to be. Are the potatoes cooked?
Yeah.
Ooh, perfect. You want to taste it? The
Yeah, I can
flavor and
taste it.
everything. You can see there's carrot, onion, tomato, potato, peas, soybean, Nutella, whatever you want to call it. And look at Marvel over here. He's like, what the hell?
It's gonna be hard.
And very
It's gonna
hot.
take time.
No problem. And over here with the salad, I'm gonna have shrimp, which looks like it's done. Look at that. These are coconut shrimp that I got from Trader Joe's, and I'm just baking them. So yeah, very excited for my food. What happened?
Drop something. I dropped a pea.
Marl is gonna eat it. He just took the whole thing out. It's hard. Why did you put it in your mouth? Easy, you're gonna get your tongue burned and then you're not gonna taste anything.
It's tasting like sabudana khichdi.
Really? Is it good though, the flavor?
Very good, very good.
Okay, perfect. Alright.
Success.
And so, big
I got a
move.
good bite.
Ah, look at that.
Flavor to तुम्हारे but recipe किसकी थी?
So basically he told me make something out of couscous, so but flavors are mine.
I said.
Only the ingredient were his.
Oh, the shrimp is ready.
Is this for me to taste?
Yep. Must be very hot. The potato is gonna be hot.
Oh.
I told her.
Mmm.
Isn't it tasting like sabudana khichdi?
It's so good.
Maybe some cilantro and fresh cilantro, and that will be it. So anyways, that was our first time making couscous like that with the veggies and everything in an Instant Pot. Now that it is a success,
We're always gonna make it.
And we are gonna share the recipe next time we make it with you guys.
Yeah, because it's so easy and so quick.
Yeah.
You don't have to stand there, not let it boil or anything. It's gonna take care of itself.
Alright people, so you showed them your salad and everything?
Yes. Just mixing with the dressing, a little bit of dressing.
And she's having 1 egg and some
I'm
shrimps.
trying to it.
Okay,
But
2
you
eggs
wanna
and
eat
shrimps.
1 egg, you can.
No, I don't want to eat anything. So, anyways, we are gonna be watching a movie for some time, and then we'll leave it halfway. Probably we are not gonna finish it because she got work, I got work tomorrow, and then we'll watch the rest of the movie tomorrow. That's pretty much our routine, because since we are working out and everything, we are barely getting time in the evening. And it's this is our board here. So today was an rest day, and tomorrow is day 5, and we are doing incredible. So anyways, I think that is it for today's vlog. We started the vlog on the road, just thinking about you guys, because there is no perfect time to start a vlog, and we actually had so much fun getting coffee and taking a walk and everything.
Yeah.
So if you guys have ever had something like that, if you have ever done something like that, then share your crazy stories with us in the comment box. But for now, we are gonna see you in our next vlog, and until then, stay healthy, stay happy. Bye bye.